What's up, y'all? It's Isaiah here with UNC Student Affairs, and today we're just gonna see what the vibes are like on campus before the holidays let out. Let's go. First, let's see if we got some culture folks on this campus with a little Christmas Shazam game. All right, so I'm gonna play y'all a song, and y'all got the first 3 seconds to guess it.
Oh, Mariah Carey. It's like Christmas. It trends on the top charts every year. She makes a killing off this song.
Do you want to guess?
I would, but I'm Muslim, so I wouldn't really know.
All I Want for Christmas.
All I Want for Christmas.
All right, that's Rudolph. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Dang. All right, y'all want another one?
Yeah. Oh my God! It's Wham! It's Wham!
But what's the name though?
I know. Give me a second.
Last Christmas? Last Christmas?
By Wham! Yes!
All right, y'all can get half credit.
Okay, half
All right.
Let it snow, let it snow.
All right. Got one. All right. Do another one.
Little
Rocking
Saint
around the
Nick.
Christmas tree?
Little Saint Nick.
Oh shit.
Yo, we got a Christmas S. All right. All right, one more.
Ready for Christmas.
Let's see if one of y'all could beat him, bro.
Last Christmas? This Christmas? Last Christmas?
Yeah, no, you got it. Last Christmas. Y'all gotta get this. I know this. She got it.
Jingle Bell Rock.
Nah, she Jingle Rock. All right. We already know Thanksgiving's around the corner, so I wonder. All right, if y'all could invite 3 people to your Thanksgiving dinner, living or dead, who would it be?
LeBron James, Frederick Douglass, and Carter G. Woodson.
Valid.
I had to go Kevin Hart, Eddie Murphy, and The Rock.
Russell Westbrook for sure.
Westbrook. Okay.
Yeah, that's the greatest basketball player of all time.
Okay.
I'm gonna invite Future, right?
Hendrix.
And Future. I'm gonna invite Mariah the Scientist.
She got a man though.
He can come too, bro.
Okay.
My grandfather, my grandmother, and Barack Obama.
I'll say, my mom, Barack Obama, and Elliot Quido.
Now it's time for a game of this or that, Thanksgiving edition. I'm gonna give you 2 things and you're gonna choose from them. All right. So first, turkey or ham?
Turkey.
Stuffing or mac and cheese?
Stuffing.
Apple pie or sweet potato pie?
Apple pie.
And cornbread or biscuits?
Cornbread.
All right. Stuffing or mac and cheese?
Mac and cheese.
Oh. See, we don't have mac and cheese in my Thanksgiving. But
All right. If you could, stuffing or mac.
Mac and cheese.
All right.
Mac and cheese.
Apple pie or sweet potato pie?
Apple pie.
Sweet potato pie.
She got the right answer. Cornbread or biscuits?
Neither.
Cornbread.
I don't like either.
Turkey or ham?
Turkey.
All right. Just for the fun of it, Thanksgiving or Christmas?
Thanksgiving.
I want to say Christmas, but I'm a foodie, so I'm going to say Thanksgiving.
Turkey or ham?
Ham.
Ham.
Ain't no turkeys. Okay. Stuffing or mac and cheese?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
Okay, of course. Apple pie or sweet potato pie?
Sweet potato.
Depends on the mood.
Thanksgiving mood.
Maybe sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Okay, right answer. Cornbread or biscuits?
Cornbread.
Cornbread.
All right answers. All right, last question. Thanksgiving or Christmas?
Christmas.
Christmas all the way.
No, Thanksgiving. I'm ready to
Christmas,
eat.
no doubt. Christmas.
Make sure y'all pop out for Carolina for the Kids.
Yeah, for the Children's Hospital. Donate to the UNC Children's Hospital. Thank you.
Now, to end it off, and to hopefully give some of y'all some good gift ideas, let's ask some students what the best gift they ever received was. All right, so this can be for your birthday or for Christmas or anything. But what was the best gift that y'all received?
I got a pair of shoes before my aunt, before she passed away, and it meant a lot to me.
What were the shoes?
Kyrie 2 What Does.
I think mine was probably a basketball goal. I think I got one for like my 15th birthday, got to put it outside, so I got to hoop every day. So that was definitely the best gift.
Do you get buckets though?
Oh yeah, I get buckets. You don't want to see me.
For sure.
You can never go wrong with money.
Oh, I got Jordans for one Christmas, like the UNC Jordans. Yeah.
Those are tough.
For my birthday, I just got this new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Got AI. All types of stuff. Like this was like the greatest thing I ever got in my life, bro.
All right, Mr. Bougie. All right.
On May 19th, 2004, I received the gift of life.
Best gift I've gotten?
My camera actually was a gift. I shoot photography, so that was a gift. I think for my mom.
My hamster. R.I.P.
RIP. Thanks again for watching, and if you made it to the end, make sure to follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn for more content.